Hello, my peeps. Are you ready for day 5? 5 golden rings. Speaking of gold, day 4 was these lovely gold embossed sentiment labels. There was 17, and I'm looking at my cheat sheet, that's how I can remember. 17 different ones that you could actually stamp sentiments on, and then there was 2 of these little solid gold flags. And we got our bag of golden embellishments. We've got our DSP, we've got our dies, and let us see. Ooh, day 5 is one of the bigger squares. Oops, I'll get it in view. Let's see what's in day 5. See, the ones that are where the things are on the right, I can use my nail, but if I have to do it the other way, I'm not coordinated enough with my left hand to do it. So, day 5. Any guesses? Any guesses? What do you think's in here? There we go. Day 5. Ooh! Oh, if you saw me with the snowflakes, you know I'm going to have... Oh, look at that. You know I'm going to have some fun with these. There are masks. So this would be considered a tool. So I think, well, I was curious what tool was going to be in here, and I'm going to go with that. Look at this little brush. This brush is nice. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh my God, it is like just amazingly soft. So this is a nice little get to the corners, get all in there, up in the business. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all notched, they're all labeled. And it appears these ones are making flowers. I can see that. We've got two bigger flowers and 2 smaller flowers. And that one, I have no idea. I really don't. Oh, I was going to say, unless it's like, again, I know I mentioned this before, I don't really know what flowers are flowers, like which ones are what. But the one that has like the, see, to me, from a forestry background, yarrow, or cow parsnip, I think is the other one. So you know where it's like a big head of flowers with the little thingies? It could be a bunch of flowers, could be a bunch of leaves. But since this is more floral, I'm going to go with a bunch of flowers. So I think 1 and 2 make that one. Oh, I might be right. So leaves, and then we have the stems. So yeah, I think this is like the big head of flowers here. So I'll do a little playing, and before we're done here, and see what we come up with. I'm gonna show you the stuff as we go. I did show you the stamps and stuff right at the beginning and the dies to see what they make. Yeah, I can't do this today. It'll take too long to do it today. I'll do it in between and I'll show you the results tomorrow. Okay, that was day 5. Masks and a soft little brush. Thank peeps. See you for tomorrow.